Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing SoundOne X90 wireless stereo headset. Now here's the box. This headset is priced at 790 rupees, but the price may vary based on sales and online offers. It's available only in a single color with a black and blue combination. Now before we get started, these are the complete specs of this headset. It has a 130 mAh battery with a micro USB charging cable. It can give you up to 10 hours of playback time or up to 10 hours of talk time, and the charging time is about 2 to 5 hours. Back to the box. On the front it says SoundOne. There's also a preview in the middle of how the headset looks like, and towards the bottom it says X90 wireless stereo headset. On the back it has some of the highlighting features like long lasting battery, 10 hours of playback time, HD sound quality, and some more specifications. Now let's unbox it. First we have the neckband itself. Next we have some extra ear tips, and finally a micro USB charging cable. Now let's have a physical overview. This is how the earbuds look like. This is the neckband, and these are the buttons on the right side. There's just the branding on the left side. Unlike other headsets, there's no left and right marking over here. Not a big deal. You just have to go by the buttons on the neckband. On the side there's the USB port under the flap. Now as far as the pairing process is concerned, it's pretty simple. Just press and hold the middle button and the blue and red light blinks, and then search for SoundOne X90 on your phone and then click it to pair it up. As for the functionality of these buttons, you can press the middle button to play or pause music. You can press and hold the volume up button for the next video song. Press and hold the volume down button to go to the previous song or the previous video. You can also double press the middle button to call the last dialed number. By the way, volume down button is on the top and the volume up button is on the bottom. I was confused for a second while wearing it and pressed the top button to increase the volume. That's a slightly different design when compared to other headsets. Not a major problem, you just need to give it some time to get used to it. Now as for the overall build quality of this headset, it's pretty good. It seems pretty flexible and it's light in weight as well. Even in ear, it feels pretty light. As for these buttons, they work. I don't have any major issues, but I wish they were slightly more clickable or slightly more protruding. And for people who are interested in using this headset while doing physical activities or workouts, this headset will not fall off no matter how you shake your head or what kind of physical activity you do, at least for most part. Now as far as the audio quality is concerned, it is pretty decent. It's good for regular media consumption. At low volumes, many of the details are missing, but once you bring up the volume about 50%, it's pretty audible. At highest volume, there's minimal to no distortion at all. That's highest volume on headset and even on the phone, so that's a pretty good thing. There's also bass with this headset, but it isn't that strong, and you can only feel it when the volume is above 50%. Now as for the call quality, it's pretty decent. Voice is pretty clear on both sides. Ambient noise is also not an issue. It's audible, but it doesn't affect our voice. Finally, as far as the battery life is concerned, with a 130 mAh battery, it can easily last you about 10 hours or at least 6 to 7 hours of talk time and playback without any issues. So guys, to conclude, for about 800 rupees, if you're looking for a good wireless Bluetooth headset, then you can definitely consider the SoundOne X90 wireless headset. So guys, what do you think about this headset? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this headset, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you have any questions about this headset or any other product, do let me know by commenting below this video. With that said, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.